back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Cranial Technologies. Now, cranial as in head, they help shape babies' heads when they are young and when they are born. They have 151 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. Of course, as always, the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. They are hiring a medical administrative assistant. Now, this is remote for the United States only. One thing to note, they don't give a lot of detail about the actual job that you'll be doing. It just says that you'll be an administrative assistant for their medical billing and insurance department. They're looking for somebody who can thrive in a fast-paced environment. It says the ideal administrative assistant is someone who enjoys working in a dynamic, ever-evolving environment. So I'm assuming you're going to be dealing with a lot of the billing aspects. Now, they do make customized medical devices that reshape babies' heads. They are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma and a minimum of 1 year of some kind of administrative experience in a professional office setting, someone who is tech savvy, warm, empathetic, and has the ability to learn new things quickly. Now, they are paying $16 to $17 an hour for this position, plus offering a $1,000 sign-on bonus, and then they offer the standard benefit package on top of that. That includes medical and dental insurance, 401k, paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.